Precision Mounting Technologies is excited to bring you our newest docking station for the all-new Panasonic Toughbook 40 laptop computer. Constructed using CNC machined aluminum to provide rugged reliability and finished in black anodized and powder coat finishes, this docking station is Panasonic Toughbook certified, having passed stringent testing procedures to ensure maximum reliability. A low-profile ergonomic design provides a final product which minimises the docking station footprint and increases cabin occupant safety and comfort. Available in either no RF or quad RF pass-through configurations with forward-facing SMA connectors for attaching all of your peripherals to stay in touch while out in the field. A cable management tie rail on the docking station configurations provides cable strain relief, preventing unwanted disconnects and damage, as well as a tidy, clean-looking finished installation. Available in two versions, with or without HDMI ports, so you can decide what configuration is right for your needs. Panasonic electronics throughout the dock make sure to provide reliability for all those mission-critical situations. Rig connector ports also include RS-232 serial, 2 USB Type-C, 2 USB 2 Type-A, 1 high-speed USB 3.2 Type-A, and dual RJ45 gigabit Ethernet connections, as well as DC input to maintain power and charging to the laptop when docked. An LED status indicator is located on the front of the PMT docking station, providing maximum ease for diagnosis of power status. Located beside the LED power status indicator is a front-facing USB-C connector port, offering maximum convenience for attaching cables that need to be regularly accessed easily and quickly. The docked/undocked indicator provides a visual prompt that the laptop is properly installed onto the docking station, and a key locking security system increases theft deterrence and device security. A VESA 75 hole mounting pattern make integrating this new docking station with existing equipment easy and quick by providing this universal hole pattern to increase installation speed and minimize vehicle downtime, helping keep your fleet mobile and on the road. Shown here is an optional screen support which will aid to reduce wear on the device hinges and minimize display screen vibration. Backed up by PMT's 3-year warranty on electronic components and limited lifetime warranty on all metal and mechanical parts, this dock is built to last. Contact us now to learn more and start placing your orders today. The latest docking station from PMT for the all-new Panasonic Toughbook 40 laptop computer.